Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. Oh, sorry about that. It's me, Michelle. So today I'm going to do a quick haul of some stuff that I ordered. So first I'm actually going to start with this black box. As you can see, it's from Aurora Estelle, and I love her packaging. This is the first thing I ordered from her. So I got this item on clearance, so I got a really good price, and plus I had like a 15 or 20% coupon or something like that. So I actually got this for a really good price. And so I want you guys to see, like, oh my gosh, I love her boxing. And I think this is like some of the things that make you want to order again, because presentation is everything. Then I have this card, Aurora Estelle Eco Innovative Planners. And so like it gets like some care tips and stuff like that on here. And then this, what the planner comes in, the dust bag, is really beautiful as well. I love how it has this on here. It has really pretty satin for where you open it up at. So I'm going to open this dust bag and show you guys the planner that I got. So I wanted the A5 regular Chloe planner, and I wanted the like gray snakeskin with the lavender inside, but I figured I can get an A5Y. It'll still fit my A5 inserts, and it wouldn't be a big deal. And it's the same color scheme as the Chloe. The Chloe planner is probably a little darker, not by much, just because the snake skin has like, not snake, but croc skin have color variations as well, and this doesn't. And like looking at it in person, it has like a grayish purple tone that's not really picking up on camera. I don't have a planner with gold hardware, well, a planner that I use with gold hardware, so I'm glad this had the gold on it. The Chloe one had silver, and my Moterm in white croc has silver, so I'm glad that this had the gold instead. And this is the Blossom planner. So when you open it up, it has this really pretty lavender color, which isn't really picking up well on camera. The pockets are really deep on this planner, so like they go really deep in here. So if you have like longer journaling cards and stuff, you can put that in here. It has the gold 35 millimeter rings, which I really love, and they're pretty sturdy. And so you would snap them open like that. And here it just has the Aurora Estelle symbol on it. And then here it has the Aurora Estelle symbol on it. You can adjust. It has a pin loop here in the strap, and it has another pin loop here, which I like. You can adjust your strap for where you need it to be. So if this is regular and then you need more room, you would just move it up. Kind of, again, like it reminds me of the Moterms with that. It has a really big secretarial pocket here, and it has some pockets here and here, and it has this really pretty blossom print with florals in it, and stuff like that. So I really like this planner, and it's really soft. It's vegan leather, like Notique. It's vegan leather like Notique, but this was actually, I think I paid like $60 for it or something like that. So it wasn't really that bad to purchase this. So I'm just gonna put this up, and I'll put all this back up. Ooh, after I'm finished recording. So next up, so I finally, like, I start watching videos to see what the Blossom planner looked like. And so I came across one person who had it, and they ordered some stuff from this place called Caress Press. So I decided to get some A5 wide inserts from there, which I really didn't even need. So I ordered a couple of things from there. Now I need to figure out if I'm going to save this for next year, or if I'm going to use this year. I honestly really don't know. So first I'm going to, these are the inserts, and she packaged her stuff really nice. I'm going to get these opened up here. So she does package it nice. I like when she put like some pretty sturdy, pretty sturdy paper here, kind of like cardboard to hold it. So you get here, and then it has like a calendar, but this is a 2021 calendar, so I'll probably just throw this page away. Or I might keep it because on the back it has 12 blank spaces, so I might just keep it for blank spaces. If I do decide to use it, it'll probably be in June, and use the other set, like the other section, because they're undated for other stuff. So just break it down and use this for whatever I decide to use it for, or just wait till next year. So the inserts again are undated, so they don't have the months on the tabs. So you would have to put the months on the tabs. It has pretty sturdy cardstock. I like that it's very neutral and white. You can kind of like design them yourself. A5Y, Happy Planner, and Erin Condren kind of are the same size, even though I don't rock with Erin Condren anymore. Their boxes and stuff are kind of the same size. So if you know how to print for Happy Planner, you can definitely get some prints and print on this if you like, and create your own dashboards like that. And so that make it where you can customize it a little bit more. So this is what the monthly looks like here. And here you have just like a box that you can use to put other stickers, to write reminders, or whatever you want to. I like, again, how neutral this is, so you can make it your own. You can go really neutral, just write in. You can use as many stickers as you like. And this is much bigger than the A5 that I use. And so then we have the boxes that you will use, kind of like Happy Planner. You have the 3 boxes, and you can break it up to however you want to: morning, afternoon, and evening. If you use it for fitness, you can do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then on the bottom, you can break this down and put like what your workouts and stuff was. You can put workouts there. Here on this side, it has a small box here, and you can write down stuff like that. You can put your mood, whatever you want to use this for. So this is what this looks like. And then when you get to the end to separate one month to the next, you just have some dot grid paper right here that you can use to take notes. And I haven't really gone through this, so let me see if it has a lot of notes in here. So nope, it just has the one dot grid page at the end of the inserts. So that's the inserts that I purchased from her. I really like these inserts. They're really nice. The paper quality, it's not as thick as I would like, but it's not thin either. So I do like the paper quality. And I also ordered some stickers from her. So here is the first set of stickers I ordered. Figure out how to open them. Here we go. And these are so pretty. I like the way her stickers feel. There's one more in here. I have a freebie sheet that I'm trying to get out. So here is the freebie. It has Happy 4th of July, watch fireworks, make s'mores. Then it just have like Caress Press freebies. So these, I believe, are like sticker overlays where you can put them on top of box stickers that you use. So I have the June kit, the monthly June kit. So this is the sidebar that I chose. It's so beautiful. I love the coloring. I love the way this look. So you would put this, let me pull up a monthly really quick. So you would put this here for the monthly as the sidebar. Oh, that is so pretty. And it kind of like brings it to life. So I decided I wanted to like try some of her sticker sets to see how I would like them. So I have this. And then these boxes go inside the monthly. And you can use them how you like. And I really like this set. It's so pretty. I don't dabble in stuff like crystals and stuff. So that part, I don't know if I'll use it. And then this is the June, and then here you have June, you have this here, and it got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then it has some stickers right here. Oh, these are payday stickers right here. And then you have like a bunch of different icon stickers. This is the other side, some full box stickers. Just have a couple little washi strips on here. And then here you just have some other stuff. It has Juneteenth, which I really appreciate. It has summer starts. And then it has Father's Day, summer solstice. My birthday isn't in June, but I'll save this for my birthday. And World Environment Day. And so this has all of this here for you to use. I like that she includes holidays with her monthly set. So that's one less stickers that you have to purchase. So this is the first set of stickers that I ordered from her. And now we're going to get into some others. And I'll probably do a plan with me for June on how I set this up. So I probably won't wait till next year. But I still need to figure out how I want to use this planner, these inserts in this A5 wide. So the next set of inserts that I have are here. And these are so pretty. And I'm sorry how I sound, you guys. I have my allergies and sinuses are kicking my butt. So this is June. So you just put these on the month. So you don't buy a, like since it doesn't have anything on it, you will just kind of like fit this onto the dashboard. And then this is what the month would look like for you. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. So I got June, and then I got July, and I really love this one for July. She also had one with like fireworks and stuff like that, but we don't do that here. And then this one, my birthday is in August. So I got this one for August, and I got like the birthday theme one. And this is how my hair looks most of the time. So I figured like this is a great representation. She's close to my skin tone. I really love it. And I was like, this is so pretty. There's a little cake there, some balloons. So I got this for August. So I may order some more monthly sets to put into there for this planner. I don't know yet, but I really like how pretty these sets are. So if I can get the monthly set for this one, I will probably definitely get it for this one. We'll see about July though, but I love all of these dashboards and how they will look in here when I decide to set all this up. All right, you guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day whenever you're watching this, nighttime, whenever. And remember, don't let life happen to you. You happen to life. I'll see you in another video. Peace.